Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. I'm Nicole. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to type Chinese, especially how to type Chinese quicker. After you learn some Chinese vocabularies or sentences, you might try to type them on your mobile or laptop. And you might notice one of the Chinese final doesn't exist on your keyboard, which is yu. Okay, today I will going to tell you. First of all, when we type Chinese, we type pinyin one by one. When we type in Chinese vocabularies, we actually don't need to type any tones. We only type initials and finals. Then you will see many choices. You can click this button to see more choices. You can use the keyboard on your phone or laptop directly. You also can download another typing apps. For me, I'm using Sogo, which is quite convenient to use. 你好，去地铁站怎么走 ？Character by character. 您呢音好和凹 Type them one by one. But if you want to type them quicker, then you can only type the initial, the n and h, type them together. Then you can see they automatically give you vocabularies starts by n and h. And the yu, 去地铁站, this 去 is actually yu. When yu spelled together with ji, qi, xi, and yi, the dot need to remove. So you can type qi and wu becomes 去. But some other situation like 旅游, 女儿, the l and n, they can spell together with u as well. On this situation, you can't type u, then we have to type yu itself. And the yu on our keyboard is v. The v is Chinese, yu. 旅游 l v e o u 旅游 And also you can type l e. More examples. 下雨下雪 The yu in these two vocabularies all removed the dots. In this situation, you can use both. 下雨雪 you can type as 西 u e. You also can type as 西 u e. Okay, this is all of today's content. I hope it can help you to type Chinese easier and quicker. If you like this video, I would like you to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.